Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: an elongated slag of 5 mm is observed on a long seam weld joint of a pressure vessel with a plate thickness of 12 mm. According to ASME Section VIII Division 1, can this be acceptable? So this is a very straightforward question. You observe 5 mm slag on a weld joint which is welded according to ASME Section 8, or the acceptance criteria is ASME Section 8 Division 1. So the construction code is ASME Section 8 Division 1. Now whether this 5 mm slag is acceptable or not, what will be the correct answer? If you know the answer, please write in the comment box. I'll give you 2 second time. Okay, so the correct answer is this 5 mm slag is acceptable. Correct option which? Option 1, yes, because the slag is less than 6 mm. See, the the acceptance criteria depends on the thickness. So the thickness is 12 mm, and if the thickness is 12 mm, the acceptance criteria says that any slag less than 6 mm will be acceptable. And in the question, the slag length is 5 mm, which is less than 6 mm. Hence, it is acceptable. Yes, it is acceptable because the length of slag is less than 6 mm. For plate thickness up to 19 mm, 6 mm slag is acceptable. So friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. And with this, we have come to end of our today's video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.